Welcome to HCCR RV Products. This is an assembly video for our StaitLite models. My grandson, who is 6 years old, Chase Hofmann, is going to do the assembly of an S1430L, which is our smallest StaitLite model, our two-step model. Our StaitLite model line goes from 2 steps all the way up to 5 steps, or 14 inches all the way up to 35 inches. The top step. There are basically 4 components in the StaitLite model: 2 railings, stair assembly, and the stair legs. The first step in the process, Chase is going to insert the stair legs into the stair assembly. No tools are required. The legs simply insert into the bottom of the stair assembly. Stair assembly, Chase will then flip it over, and then he will install the stair railings. Stair railings also just slide in to the stair railing assembly with no tools. Stairs are extremely sturdy and extremely light. And as you can see, very easy to assemble in probably less than 2 minutes. There are many options. This model has carpet. We also have non-skid treads, adjustable legs, and redwood railing caps also for these stairs, which are basically the same stairs we have on all our deck models as well. That's it on the assembly. Thank you, Chase. This is our S2830L model, which is a 4-step model, and it also has redwood railing caps on it. This is a 3-step model, our S2130. 21 designates basically the height. 30 is the width of the steps. Our risers are all standard 7 inches. This is our largest model, an S3532L. There's many more models, many more options and accessories. Please visit our webpage for more details. Thank you.